Question 15 of this exercise says, find the circumference of the inner and the outer circles shown in the adjoining figure. Take pi equal 3.14. So to find the circumference, we need the radius of inner and outer circles. So the radius of the outer circle, that is 19 meter, that is given in the question. So let's write the radius of the outer circle, that is R1, that equals to 19 meter. So the radius of the inner circle, that is R2, that equals to radius of outer circle, that is 19 meter minus the thickness, that is 10 meter. So the radius of the inner circle is basically 9 meter. Now we have the radius of the inner circle and we have the radius of the outer circle. We can find their circumference. So let's find the circumference of the outer circle, that is basically 2 pi r1, which is same as 2 into 3.14 and multiplied by 19. So the circumference of the outer circle, we will get it as 119.32 meter. So that will be the circumference of the outer circle. Let's find the circumference of the inner circle. That is also 2 pi r2, and we know the value of pi that is given in the question, that is 3.14, and r2 is basically 9 meter. So on solving this, we will get the value of the circumference of the inner circle, that is 56.52 meter.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.